We are first generation.
I am Ravi, Vinuta's husband, Ramappa and Bhagyamma's son. I am Vinuta, Ravi's wife, Bhagyamma and Ramappa's daughter-in-law.
I am Raju, Bhagyamma and Ramappa's son. I am Ramya's husband.
I am Ramya, Raju's wife, Ramappa and Bhagyamma's daughter-in-law. We are second generation.
I am Rakshit, Prema's brother, Dada's husband, Vinuta and Ravi's son, Bhagyamma and Ramappa's grandson.
I am Radha, Rakshit's wife, Vinuta and Ravi's daughter-in-law, Bhagyamma and Ramappa's granddaughter.
I am Prema, Vinuta and Ravi's daughter, Bhagyamma and Ramappa's granddaughter.
I am Sharat, Sumai's husband, Raju